In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to contact Gumroad support in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or already selling on Gumroad, knowing how to reach their support team can save you a lot of time. First, log into your Gumroad account and head to your dashboard. This is your main control panel where you manage products, payments, and customers. Now, look toward the top of the page for the help option. Sometimes it appears as a small question mark icon. Click on it and it will take you straight to the Gumroad Help Center. Once you're there, you'll see a collection of articles covering everything from account settings to payments and product setup. Many of the most common questions are already answered there, so it's worth checking first. You can browse by topic or simply use the search bar to type in keywords related to your issue. It's a fast way to find the exact solution you need. If you still can't find what you're looking for, scroll down to the bottom of the Help Center page. You'll see an option to contact the Gumroad support team directly. Just click on it, describe your issue clearly, and submit your message. A member of their team will usually get back to you by email. And that's it. That's how you can reach Gumroad support easily. It's always best to check the Help Center first. But when you need personal assistance, their support team is ready to help. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and keep creating with confidence.